G'day folks, just a quick clip because these little fellas are going to run away, sure as anything. That's the red-capped or red-necked plover, very small member of the plover family. There's a pair of them here and they're feeding along the shoreline. There's lots and lots of food, ample food. All the little crustaceans and worms and things they find in the sand. Look, see, I told you about them being flighty. Where are they? Where'd you go? There he is. You can see that sort of slightly olive greeny back and the red nape to the neck. One of them seems to have it more predominantly than the other, so I'm probably correct in assuming that that's a male and the other one's a female. You see that run and peck style they have, it makes it very hard to film them. As soon as you get close, off they go. And they're very quick on those little legs. They're a beautiful little bird, they've got their lovely white throat and breast. Try and get a bit closer here. I'm hoping that they're starting to get used to me and they're not going to see me as a threat. A seagull went over before and they stood stock still. So that's their defense mechanism, is to try and blend in. From above they probably would blend in with the sand, but the sand here is a little too white, so they do stick out. No, they're not going to let me get any closer. Anyway, that's the red-necked plover. Try and get one more shot before they skedaddle. There you are. Lovely little fellas. That's a new one for the piles. Beautiful. With the black lining around the face and beak. And that nice russety colour around the back of the neck going up onto the cap. And there's the other one. You can see that one doesn't have such a predominantly red neck, so that'll be the female. Yep, there she goes. And there's the male. Lovely. I'll leave you with it. Little plovers. Aussie birds rock. See ya.